Okay, this is Tinkercad, and it's where you can go. It's a free website where you can go and create your own designs for 3D printing. So I'll give you a little tutorial to create a new design. Wait for that to come on. Okay, and then when this comes up, the area in the blue is your work plane, and that's where you have to have everything in the blue square, so it'll be able to print when you go to 3D print. So if you, whatever object you'd like, all you do is drag it from your basic shapes over here. There's all sorts for anything you want to make. And if you want to do this, you can click basic shapes, and there's text, symbols, connectors, and extras, and then featured shape generators, community shape generators, and then if you have like favorites, you can put those too. But other than that, you can grab it, move it anywhere along your work plane. You can move it out too, but if it's outside, it won't print whenever you come to 3D print. You can make them taller, real skinny, go under the page, over. Make them big, it's whatever you want to make, really. And
take the SD card and put it in the computer. This is how you're going to transfer it over to the 3D printer. And then whenever you do that, you hit add, and you go look for wherever you saved it. So I saved it on the 3D printing jobs, and this is our shroud right here. So after that, you're going to have to hit connect to connect the computer to the printer. And it's attempting to connect right now. And after it connects, you go here and set your temperatures to, the base would be 80. And you hit preheat. And then the true temperature you want 230. But we're not going to hit preheat right now. It's done. And after that, you would hit export to G-code.
So now what we gotta do is find.
And you save it on the SD card. And then I'd hit save, but it's already on there, so I don't need to hit save right now. And then you just transfer the SD card into the 3D printer.